Alright guys, today we're working on a 2002 Ford Mustang. The problem I'm getting is the AC only works on high. If I put it on 3, it won't work. 1 or 2, it don't work. It only works on high. Now it's a simple solution. All you're gonna do is replace this part right here, which is underneath here. This is called the Blower Motor Resistor. What you need to do to replace it, you just need an 8mm socket. You can use a ratchet, but in this case I'm going to be using a flathead screwdriver, which is easier for me to use. Let me turn this off. Okay, this is the part that we're going to replace. This one. So it's the 8mm socket fits right there, and I'm going to be using the flathead screwdriver like this. So let me show you how I'm gonna do it. So you put the flathead screwdriver, it's going to be like this, and then you can just turn the flathead screwdriver and you can turn this. So let me see. Okay, we got one out. Now the other one. All right, I took it off. As you can see, this part is really rusted. It looks really bad. Now, what to do to remove it? You gotta press this. Oops. You gotta press this right here and just pull. Press and pull there, and then just put the new one. I bought a used one at the junkyard. It was like $5 is okay. So this one, yeah. And as you can see, it works on low. 2, 3, 4. So that's it. That's it. Just now what you have to do is just put this one back and put the 2 screws. It's a simple fix for this problem. Well, alright guys, thanks for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, share this video, and thank you so much. Take care. Bye. Peace.